Hello students, welcome to Power Tutorials. So today we have two live sessions, one at now which is at 12:30 and other we have at 1 p.m. So in that 1 p.m. live session we are going to cover the question bank series and questions of corner geometry. So before going to that 1 p.m. live session I thought let's connect before and discuss about one of the important topic which is areas of triangles. Okay. So areas of triangles, hope everyone know what is the basic formula which is half into base into height, but not only half into base into height, we have few other more formulas which we need to understand and practice for other questions as well. Okay. So now in this video, as I mentioned, I'm going to cover the other formulas or the most important formulas with respect to triangles. What are the areas of those triangles? So the first one using height and base. This I hope everyone knows what is the main formula of area of triangle. If height and base are provided, the formula is area is equal to half into base into height. So if you know the base length and if you know the height, then we can easily find the any area of triangle if you know the height and base. For example, if I say I have a triangle like this, and if I know this height, this is called height, and this they have mentioned 10 centimeters, and I have the base is the bottom one, so base if they have mentioned 5 centimeters, then what is area of this triangle? It is half into base into height, which is half into 5 into 10, so which becomes 5 into 5, which is 25 square centimeters. Always remember the area of any triangle or any figure is measured in terms of square meters. Why? Because it is centimeter into centimeter, so that's why it is square centimeter. So this is the first formula which is very basic. If you know height and base of any triangle, then area of the triangle can be easily written as area is equal to half into base into height, which is for this example it is half into base is 5, height is 10, so half into 5 into 10, which is 25 square centimeters. Okay, let's see the second formula of area of triangle. If length of each side or sides are provided. So this is the second scenario where length of each side is provided. So in this case, for example, I will say the formula. First I will write the formula is S into root of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is called semi-perimeter. I'll write it here. S is semi-perimeter. Semi means half of the perimeter. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, so I'll give the similar kind of example. Here I have a triangle with sides as, take this as triangle. Suppose I have a triangle like this where this side is A, this side is B, and the third side is C. Then, so in this example I am taking the values as A as 2, B as 3 and C as 4. Okay, so in this case what is area of triangle means? First we need to find S value. So S value for this case, S is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 2, so which is 5 plus 4 by 2, which is 9 by 2 or 4.5. So now the formula becomes 4.5 into root of 4.5 minus 2, which is 2.5, 4.5 minus 3, which is 1.5, and 4.5 minus 4, which is 0.5. If we solve this, we'll get the area of a triangle which sides has 2, 3 and 4. Small correction. S should be inside. I'm sorry. Root of S into yes, this is a formula, root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, I am repeating the formula again. The area of triangle, if sides are provided, it is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, so third scenario, when vertices are provided. Vertices means the points. So for x, the formula is, first I'll write the formula, area is equal to 1 by 2 into mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So what is mod here? So mod function will mainly used to get only the positive value, that is modulus value. So if I say what is mod of minus 2, the value is 2. Mod of plus 2, again the value is 2. So whatever might be the inside, positive or negative, but the outside value will always be positive. So for similarly, I will give a triangle again. Let's take this triangle, and here the vertices are 3, 2, 4, 6 and 6, 5. If these three are the vertices, let's find the area of triangle. Using the same formula I just mentioned here. So let's substitute the values. So here this becomes 1 by 2 into x1 I am taking as a value, so it is 3 into y2 minus y1, which is 6 minus 5, plus x2 I am taking as b, so 4 into y3, which is 5 minus 2, plus x3 I am taking as c values, so y1 minus y2, which is 2 minus 4. Okay, so now this becomes half into 3 into 1 is 3 plus 3 into 4 is 12 minus 6 to 6 are 12. Sorry, is 6 2s are y2 is 6 here. So it is 2 minus 6 is 4, 4 6 are 24. So which becomes 15 minus 24, which is 9. So it is mod of minus 9 by 2. I told you mod of any negative value is again the same value. So it is 9 by 2, which is equal to 4.5. So again, as I told, the unit of any area will be equal to square units. It's not in units. Okay, so one more important formula with respect to class 10 is area of equilateral triangle. Hope everyone knows what is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle where all sides and angles are equal. So what is the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. Okay, how we derive also is very easy. We just use the same this formula to derive it. So I'll help you how I found this formula, not me, like the one who derived it. So the formula is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So here all three sides are equal. And what is s value now? S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2, which is 3a by 2. Okay, so now substitute s value here. So this becomes root of 3a by 2. 3a by 2 minus a will become a by 2. 3a by 2 minus again a becomes a by 2. And 3a by 2 minus c will again become a by 2. Why I am writing a's again? Because for equilateral triangle, what I told, a is equal to b is equal to c. All three sides are equal. So now this becomes 3 into a power 4 by 2 power 4. So if I remove the square, I will get root 3. A power 4 root will become a square, and 2 power 4 will become 2 square, which is nothing but 4. So in this way we have derived the area of equilateral triangle, which is root 3 by 4 s square. So this is also one of the important formula with respect to class 10. So total 4 formulas we have discussed for areas of triangle. First one, using height and base, which is very generic. If someone asks you what is area of triangle, you can say if base and height are provided, it is half into base into height. If length of sides are provided, then it is root of s into a, s into s minus a, and s minus b into s minus c, where s is the semi-perimeter. And the next one, third formula, is when vertices are provided, that is the points are provided, then how to find area of triangle. It is also very easy. It is 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus 3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. If you substitute all the points properly, you will get the same answer. And always remember, area cannot be negative, hence the formula is also, you can notice, it is modulus of the vertices or the modulus of the calculation. Okay, now we are going to use these formulas in our next coming chapters, which are coordinate geometry and circles, and even in surface areas and volumes also. Whenever triangle is there, we have to use any of these formulas. Okay, so that's why I have to make a separate video where all important triangle area formulas are calculated. Okay, so with respect to rectangle, square and all, those we will again cover with the surface areas and volumes chapter. For as of now, triangles formulas are important because this we have to use in the next coming chapter, which is coordinate geometry and circles. And even areas related to circles also, the triangles will come into picture. Okay, so next video, as you know, we have at 1 p.m. we have one scheduled live video. So first of all, who are watching this video, thank you so much. And if you like this video, please do like and please do comment based on feedback or any doubts, so that will be useful for my next videos. Thank you for watching. And in the next video, as I told, we have question bank series continuation, which is coordinate geometry at 1 p.m. So make sure to subscribe my channel and enable notification to get notified for the next video, which is coming just about 13 minutes from now. Okay, so thanks for joining. Let's meet again at 1 p.m. with respect to question bank series questions of coordinate geometry.